Friends on LinkedIn and also Zoom users, have you noticed that there's a new update from Zoom? They're amazing. There's always an update. And what they've done now with their apps on Zoom Marketplace is that presented on the right side of the screen, they've also included essential apps. These apps are typically for purchase, but if you have a Zoom One Pro account or business plan account, these apps are now free on your Zoom instance. Now back to PitchHub. If you need a teleprompter for a meeting and you've copied and pasted your script into the teleprompter, go ahead and have your meeting or your webinar. And then when it's time, just click on the app and it pops out right into the place where you exactly need it, which is typically under the camera so you can keep your eye contact with the audience. The other beauty of this is that when you're sharing content, your audience won't see the teleprompter. When you're recording content, your audience won't see the teleprompter. So let's just say our app is for your eyes only and for your eyes to stay connected with your audience. Thanks for watching, everyone, and nice job, Zoom.